Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Tons of wedding trends come and go, but in our book, the bridal updo is one wedding hairstyle that always looks flawless. There have been so many bridal buns, chignons, and braided, twisted, and knotted updos that we've loved over the years, and the great thing about an updo is its versatility. There's a version that's bound to work for your hair's natural texture and bridal style, whether you're thinking modern and elegant or relaxed and romantic. While a bridal bun has an inherent elegance and classicism to it. Other reasons we love wedding updos? Let us count the ways. They show off a backless wedding dress or a high-neck gown like a dream. They stay put for hours on end. And they look amazing in photos, from every angle, literally. We've gathered seriously stunning images from real weddings that offer all sorts of interpretations of this classic wedding hairstyle. Consider a classic chignon. We love how this full and flawless chignon allows the bride to show off her bare shoulders in the chicest way. Twist things up. It's still so sweet and romantic, thanks to the addition of some side twists and how her stylist worked a braided effect into her low, knotted, do. Sleek low chignon. The sleek low chignon gets some volume thanks to the bride's deep side part and lightly teased hair. Finish with some sparkle. When you add into the mix that sparkling hair accessory, and those earrings and beaded gown, that the whole gorgeous picture falls into place. Add a headband. A headband is always a glamorous style choice. The look pairs perfectly with an updo that can show off your stunning profile. Embrace asymmetry. Whether an ever so carefully pinned offset chignon, a low side bun, or a braided, twisted, side-swept wedding hairstyle that you dreamt up on your own, there's something visually stunning about an asymmetrical updo, in any variation. Think relaxed and effortless. A few untucked wisps of hair make a classic updo, in this case, a loose chignon, that's much more relaxed and effortless in appearance. Rock a top knot. Brides with updos can have just as much fun. The most obvious choice for a wedding day, we love a top knot because it adds stature and height to their silhouette and shows off those gorgeous cheekbones. Roll it. A sock bun at the nape of your neck with keep your hair looking sleek but also add volume to your look. Go for retro glam. Thick, blunt cut bangs plus a teased updo is giving us some serious 60s vibes. Choose a flexible style. Want to wear your hair up for only the ceremony? Ask your stylist to create a style that can easily be removed, like the chic updo. Go natural. My hair is big and curly, bride. So, the bride pulled up her tresses into a stylish textured updo with a jeweled pin. Add ribbon for a sweet touch. A silk ribbon gathered updo finished with wispy, loose locks of hair is so Parisian chic. Put up a ponytail. Add some waves into your locks and wrap a piece of hair around the rubber band for a sleek look to take you through the night. Crown it. Bride had her hair styled into a braided crown, which kept strands of her face and looked perfect with her veil. To bejewel her tresses, the woven style was adorned with pearl pins. Make a bow. The bride had her stylist weave her hair into a bow-like style for a sleek and elegant look. Trade tendrils for face framing waves. The bride's low bun is boosted with subtle volume, plus those face framing waves are everything. Much thicker sections of hair than what's typically used for tendrils, they're a perfect solution for a breezy outdoor ceremony. Have fun with florals. Brides rocking down does aren't the only ones who can wear flowers in their hair. We love the idea of working florals from your bouquet into your wedding updo, whether delicate flowers and greenery or larger statement blooms. Embrace messy braids and waves. As far as wedding hairstyles go, updos tend to be more formal, but that doesn't mean they have to be. Loosen the styling, add some waves and braids, tuck a bit of greenery or florals here and there, and instantly you've got a more bohemian beauty look.